the myth. The Philippine Estate Tax Amnesty Extension has already been approved and is in effect. Mabuhay! I'm Attorney Yoon and this is your quick legal pause. Many people are asking, is the Philippine Estate Tax Amnesty Extension already approved? Here's the myth. The Philippine Estate Tax Amnesty Extension has already been approved and is in effect. Fact. It is not. As of now, the House of Representatives has approved House Bill number 6614, which seeks to extend the estate tax amnesty until December 31, 2028 and expand the coverage to estates of persons who died on or before December 31, 2024. However, the House approval is different from a final law. The Senate version, which is the Senate Bill number 1865, is still listed as pending in the committee and as of February 18, 2026, still not in effect. So what does this mean? It means families should not assume that the estate tax amnesty extension is already available. The previous estate tax amnesty under Republic Act number 11956 ended on June 14, 2025. Until the new bill is passed by both the House of Representatives and the Senate and signed into law or otherwise becomes law, it remains as merely a proposal. The estate tax amnesty extension is moving forward, but it's not yet finally approved as law. If your family has inherited property in the Philippines, this is the time to prepare your documents, review the title, identify the heirs, and be ready once the law is finalized. That's your quick legal pause. Paalam.